This video outlines the correct method of reinstatement to be used in order to meet the Downer quality standards. Preparing the excavation base. First, ensure that the surface of the trench base consists of fine, smooth and easy draining materials. Sharp materials should not be used as they may damage the duct. The approved materials are listed in the delivery specifications and NZ-UAG. It is important that these specifications are followed to ensure that the duct is protected and the surface ground remains stable once reinstatement is complete. The bedding, haunching and cushion layers may be spoil, sand, crusher dust or gap 7. Marking the sidewalls. Next, mark the sidewalls of the trench with paint every 150 to 200 mm in depth. This will provide you with a guide during backfilling, ensuring the layers do not go in too thick. A thick layer that will not compact will require rework and you will have to redo the backfill. Selecting the correct backfill material. If the trench is in a grass berm, you may use the excavated material to backfill the trench. If the excavated material is unsuitable, for example it may be wet, highly organic or contain rubbish, it will not compact correctly and new material may be required. Depending on the specifications, hard fill may also be required. Always check with the Downer site supervisor to confirm. Placing the backfill. To place the backfill, cover the ducts with 100 to 300 mm and lightly compact. Heavy compacting will damage the ducts, requiring rework. The initial layers will not be very dense as the material is being placed over the cushion layer. The density will increase as each layer is added. Councils require the density of the compacted material to be proved and recorded, especially under footpath and road carriageways. Always check with your supervisor to confirm what is required. Grading the surface. The base course must be well graded and include smaller particles so that the surface looks like a broken piece of hard concrete. If the material is bony, it will not bind and you will not achieve the required density. Discard this material and replace it with a well-graded product. The surface of the trench should be smooth and without depressions. It should be ready for sealing or topsoiling as required. Remember that excavated waste material should be removed from site by the completion of the day's work. Ensure to always leave your site tidy and safe.